In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel program, and we will discuss some useful and most important Excel formula. So firstly, open Excel. Now in here, you can open any blank document and you will see welcome to Excel. So take a tour. If you are beginner, create a drop down list. So you will find a complete drop down tutorial and also formula tutorial, pivot table tutorial, and there are some more templates. So click here and you can see some ready to use templates, and you can use these templates as your requirement and as your choice. And all these template and tutorial is very useful, like formula tutorial. So you want to learn, so click on it and click on create. Get started with formulas. In just a few steps, you will be up and running with building formulas and functions in Excel, the world's most powerful spreadsheet app. So you have to follow as instruction. So click on let's go. Basic doing math with Excel. You can add, subtract, multiply and divide in Excel without using any built-in functions. You just need to use some basic operations like plus, minus sign, and these star signs, slash. All formulas start with an equal sign. So make sure all formulas will start with this equal sign. To add, select cell F3, type equal sign C3 plus C4, then press enter. To add, to subtract, select cell F4, type equal sign C3 and minus sign C4, then press enter. To multiply, select cell F5, type equal sign C3 and this sign like star signs and C4, then press enter. To divide, select cell F6 and type C3 and this divide sign C4, then press enter. Dive down for more details. So as we can see some example for this formula, so I will open a new file, blank file. So you want to add something like 55 and plus 55. Now you want to sum these, so select both formulas and click on auto sum. So as we can see, here is the result. So very simple and easy method to sum. First you need to type your numbers which you want to sum, like I'm giving some numbers for only example. there is no matter how big numbers. So select all like this, and in formula click on auto sum. So here you will get result. And if you need result in another cell, like you want to result for this all numbers in this cell separately, so select that cell where you want to result appear, like here. Now select this all. So select that cell, then click on auto sum. Now you need to drag and drop like this. Yeah, you can see highlight that numbers, then press enter. So in this cell you will get the result. And similarly you want to sum uh, this row. So firstly type some numbers. Now you want to sum for these numbers. So select the cell like here, then in file, sorry, in this ribbon, you will see the formula and click on auto sum. Select the all rows and cells which you want to count, then press enter. So this is the easy method to sum in Excel. And similarly, if you want to minus some amount and some numbers, like you want to minus 44, so you need to type this formula. Equal sign and this minus sign, press enter. Like I will give the number 115. You want to minus 75. So if you want to result here, so select that cell and type this formula, equal sign, and here we can see A5, it's A6, so type A6 minus A7. Sorry, it's no A but E6, because these numbers is in this E column. So type E6 minus E7, then press enter. So here we will get a result. If you want to clean, so select all and type delete key. We will make this some large number. We will give another example, like you want to minus, you have these numbers and you want to minus this number. So we will see this cell location. So it's a D4, and D5, and select the cell where you want to result appear, like here. So type equal sign D4 minus D5, then press enter. So here you will get a result. And similarly, you want to sum, you want to add. So type equal sign D4 and plus sign D5. Now press enter. So like this we can add number. So easy. And if you want to divide this number to by this number, so you have to give a divide sign. So equal sign D4 divide sign like it slash D5 and press enter. So it's a result. You want to highlight this one, so select any color. So stay tuned, and in next tutorial we will learn some more formulas with step-by-step guide. So thanks for watching till now, and please comment and give your feedback, and also if you have any suggestion, so write in comment box. Thanks for watching.